Today I will show you how you easily can create a makeup for Valentine's that with a few steps can be turned into a more intense evening look. I start with prepping the skin with a base primer. This all-organic natural primer will boost her skin underneath her makeup. Then I apply the base foundation in the shade Passionate. It has a neutral undertone. I prefer to use a wet makeup sponge since that gives a natural coverage. You can see the blurring and smoothing effect it has on the skin. This makeup base is perfect for those special occasions when you want your makeup to last all night long. Next, I do some light contouring using the bronze shade. I apply it underneath her cheekbones to make them more prominent. Then I apply some blush for a romantic in-love look. Next, I mix the same bronze shade with the pink blush and I apply it on the upper part of the eyelids to get a natural fresh eye makeup. I then apply the same mixture by the lower lashes, from the outer corner halfway in towards the inner corner of the eye. Time for mascara. I apply a lot of mascara on the upper lashes and just a little bit on the lower lashes. For the perfect nude lip, I am using a shiny tinted gloss. And now this Valentine's Day's look is finished. I will now show you how you can add on a little bit of extra makeup to turn it into a more intense evening look. I mixed the darker magenta color with a darker brown and applied as an eyeliner by her lashes. I then used this color mix by the lower lashes as well for a more intense look. For the lips, I'm using lip liner and a wine red gloss. First, I shaped the lips and then I filled it in. Finally, I added the gloss. Using a lip pencil underneath your gloss will make the lip color more intense and long-lasting. Happy Valentine's! I hope you will try to make this look yourself. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to our channel BASEOFSWEDEN.